Regret and guilt ties us to our past. It drains our energy. All this amazing life force energy we have, which we can spend in doing such amazing dynamic stuff for the planet, for ourselves, is all gets spent in regret and guilt. Why did I? How could I? I wish I had not. Why did this happen with me? Now, do we want to be free from this? Free from our own past that troubles us and be in the present moment, live happily and freely? Then there is a solution. And according to me, this is the only solution. The solution is surrender. जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं समर्पण. There is a great power in surrender. So today we are going to learn the importance of a shlok, the meaning of a shlok, which really inspires us to surrender and be free. Now, one amazing thing about this shlok is, it also helps us to get detached from our own actions and give a broader perspective of life. The problem is we are so attached to I did this, I should not have done this, it becomes impossible to surrender. But this shlok, which you must have definitely heard, but today we will learn the word-to-word meaning of this shlok. So what is this shlok? Kayena vacha manasendriyarva. So through my body, kaya, vacha is speech, manas indriya, through the mind and through my senses. Buddhyatmana va prakriti svabhava. Or through my intellect, and all these actions are happening based on what? Through the prakriti svabhavat, the natural tendencies. What is this prakriti? In Ayurveda it is explained very nicely. There are three prakritis, vata, pitta, kapha. Now vata means the air element. Now if there is an imbalance in the air element, you just will not be able to focus on anything. You will be all over the place. It's a perfect foundation for making a lot of mistakes in life. Then pitta is fire element. Now if the fire element is imbalanced, you will be quick to get angry, short-tempered, you will say things which you will regret later. You may even break a few things actually here and there. The pitta is very high. And kapha, if there is an imbalance in the kapha, then you will become lazy, you will procrastinate, you will be dull. So all the dynamism goes out of the window when the kapha dominates. Okay. So all that actions which, not that I have done, they just happened to me, is because of all this prakriti svabhavat. So what do? Kayena vacha manasendriyaiva buddhyatmana va prakriti svabhavat karomi yadyat sakalam parasmai narayana yeti samarpayami. Karomi yadyat sakalam parasmai. Whatever I have done so far, narayana yeti samarpayami. I surrender all this on the feet of Narayana. This is the great power of surrender. We get detached from our actions, saying that this is all because of something that happened in the mind, or through the senses, or because of the intellect or the body. Through the body and through the speech, all these things happen. What do I do with it? I don't sit and brood over it. I just surrender all to the feet of Narayana and be free. So I would suggest that every night before you go to sleep, it is a great idea to chant this shlok. So that surrender is something that has to happen again and again and again. Because the mind is very sticky, it again catches up. Oh, again it goes into the regret and guilt. It is so habituated. So the surrender also, बार बार करना पड़ता है. So बोलते हैं बार बार बलि जाओ. Again and again and again you surrender, so that freedom inside us keeps on increasing. We start living a happy and regret-free and guilt-free life. Thank you.